Are you fed up with pondering what truly makes a man captivating to women? Have you ever found yourself curious about the secret behind the irresistible charm of certain men? Worry not, because today we're embarking on a journey to explore the intricacies of attraction and uncover the 12 irresistible traits that women simply can't resist in a man. As the wise philosopher once said, "Know yourself today." We'll delve into what it takes to win the hearts and minds of women. From the subtle allure of a signature scent to the magnetic pull of confidence and leadership, we're determined to unveil the secrets of irresistible allure. So get ready to take notes, because by the end of this video, you'll possess the insights and skills needed to leave any woman weak at the knees. Are you prepared to embody the essence of irresistible charm? If so, let's jump right in and uncover the magic together. Number 1, leadership and confidence. Leadership and confidence function as a magnetic force that attracts women to men. True confidence transcends arrogance or the need to show off. It's about radiating strength, stability, and self-assurance. A man who carries himself with confidence stands out, exuding an appeal that is hard to resist. This confidence manifests in various areas of life, from making decisive choices to effortlessly taking control of situations. A man who leads with assurance not only earns respect but also fosters a sense of security and trust among those around him. In essence, leadership and confidence work in tandem, creating a compelling combination that renders a man utterly irresistible to women. Number 2, a great sense of humor. A well-developed sense of humor acts like a magnet, drawing people in and establishing a connection. Women especially value men who can weave humor into conversations, as it lightens the atmosphere and makes interactions more enjoyable. A man with a sharp wit can easily break the ice, creating a relaxed environment where both parties feel at ease. When a man can elicit laughter from a woman, it highlights not only his intelligence and wit, but also his ability to connect on a deeper emotional level. Shared laughter fosters a bond between two individuals, promoting camaraderie and mutual understanding. Ultimately, a great sense of humor enhances a man's appeal, infusing warmth, charm, and spontaneity into every interaction. Number 3, masculine cologne. Imagine entering a room and instantly grabbing everyone's attention not just through your looks, but with an irresistible presence that surrounds you. This is the magic of a masculine cologne. It's more than just a scent, it's a powerful tool that makes an impression before you even say a word. Think of it as the opening act in a riveting story, with your fragrance taking center stage. A well-chosen masculine cologne communicates sophistication, confidence, and allure. It hints at mystery and sensuality, captivating those nearby with its enchanting aroma. When selected with care, it becomes an extension of your identity, leaving a trail of intrigue wherever you go. Number 4, fitness. Fitness is about more than just looks. It embodies discipline, commitment, and self-care. Women are naturally attracted to men who prioritize their health, as it reflects a responsible and dedicated nature. Regular exercise not only enhances physical fitness but also boosts confidence and self-esteem, qualities that women find highly appealing. It signals vitality and energy, which are essential traits contributing to overall attractiveness. By prioritizing fitness, men not only improve their physical appearance but also showcase qualities like discipline and resilience. These traits are deeply admired by women seeking a partner who values self-improvement and personal growth. Number 5, independence. Independence is more than just a personal characteristic, it's a trait that radiates confidence and self-assurance, making it incredibly appealing to women. An independent man shows that he can stand on his own 2 feet, both emotionally and practically. This quality implies a level of self-reliance and resilience that many women find attractive, signaling a partner who can navigate life's challenges with poise and confidence. This inner strength and autonomy can be immensely captivating, as they indicate maturity and self-awareness, qualities that are highly sought after in a partner. Ultimately, independence isn't about being distant or detached, it's about possessing a strong sense of self and the ability to thrive on one's own, which can make a man truly irresistible to women. Number 6, intelligence. Intelligence is a quality that goes beyond physical appearance, significantly influencing a man's attractiveness to women. It encompasses not only knowledge but also the ability to engage in intellectually stimulating conversations. Women are attracted to men who can hold their own in discussions, offer insightful perspectives, and challenge their minds. A man who displays intelligence not only demonstrates his capacity for learning but also reveals a deeper understanding of the world around him. This creates a dynamic and enriching relationship where both partners can learn from one another and grow intellectually. In essence, intelligence is a trait that women find irresistible. as it reflects a man's mental agility and his ability to connect with them on a deeper level. Number 7, empathy. Number 7, empathy. This quality involves the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, playing a vital role in forming meaningful connections. For women, a man who exhibits empathy reveals a high level of emotional intelligence that is incredibly appealing. When a man can genuinely listen and relate to a woman's experiences, it cultivates trust and understanding, essential components of a strong relationship. Empathy enables authentic communication and nurtures deep emotional ties, demonstrating that a man can recognize and validate a woman's feelings. An empathetic man not only pays attention to a woman's needs but also makes her feel acknowledged and understood. This capacity for empathy fosters a bond that goes beyond superficial interactions, making a man truly irresistible to women who desire emotional connection and understanding in their relationships. Number 8, manners. Number 8, manners. Good manners reveal a great deal about a person's character and integrity. Exhibiting courtesy, such as holding doors open, offering jackets, and actively listening shows respect for others while highlighting thoughtfulness and consideration. These simple yet significant gestures can leave a lasting impact on women, making them feel valued and appreciated. Additionally, displaying good manners signifies a level of emotional intelligence and social grace, qualities that many women find attractive when seeking meaningful connections. By practicing etiquette and courtesy in their interactions, men can create a positive and inviting environment that encourages authentic connections. Ultimately, good manners lay the groundwork for building trust and rapport, paving the way for deeper and more fulfilling relationships with women. Number 9, modesty. Number 9, modesty. This trait, while subtle, carries a powerful allure for women. Modesty encompasses humility, self-awareness, and an authentic sense of self. A modest man doesn't boast or seek external validation. Instead, he radiates confidence in a quiet, understated way. This combination of confidence and humility is incredibly attractive to women, as it reflects inner strength and security. Moreover, modesty cultivates trust and reliability, suggesting a person who is comfortable in their own skin and doesn't feel the need to exaggerate or show off. Ultimately, modesty enriches a man's character, making him irresistibly appealing to women who are in search of genuine connections. Number 10, generosity. Generosity is a trait that possesses tremendous power in the realm of attraction. It transcends mere material gifts, extending into the realms of emotional kindness and compassion. When a man demonstrates generosity, whether through small acts of kindness or significant gestures, it conveys to a woman that he is caring and considerate. This behavior fosters a sense of trust and security, deepening the connection between them. It reflects an understanding of the value of giving without expecting anything in return, a quality that is highly esteemed in relationships. By embodying generosity, a man not only enhances his appeal but also lays the groundwork for meaningful and fulfilling connections with women who cherish his kind-hearted nature. Number 11, young at heart. Keeping a youthful spirit and an adventurous outlook is essential for keeping relationships vibrant and thriving. Being young at heart doesn't mean behaving immaturely or recklessly. It's about embracing spontaneity, excitement, and a passion for life. It involves greeting each day with wonder and enthusiasm, actively seeking new experiences and opportunities to forge lasting memories together. Couples who nurture a youthful mindset often engage in playful activities, surprise one another with thoughtful gestures, and continually find ways to ignite the spark. Whether planning spontaneous weekend getaways, exploring new hobbies together, or simply enjoying each other's company filled with laughter and joy, adopting a youthful attitude can infuse relationships with excitement and vitality, making them irresistible for both partners. Number 12, dignity. Dignity is the embodiment of self-respect and integrity, making it an essential trait that women find highly attractive in men. A man who carries himself with dignity radiates confidence and self-assurance, earning respect from those around him. This quality reflects a profound understanding of one's worth and values, enabling a man to set clear boundaries and uphold his beliefs. By maintaining dignity, a man showcases his capacity to navigate situations with grace and composure, even in difficult circumstances. This sense of self-assuredness and stability can be incredibly appealing to women, as it indicates emotional maturity, an essential foundation for a strong and lasting connection. So gentlemen, why not embrace these qualities and strive to become the best version of yourselves? After all, as the saying goes, be the man your daughter would want to be with. Are you ready to unlock your limitless potential and embark on a journey of authentic connections? Let's dive in and discover your appealing talents. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our viewers for joining us on this exciting journey. If you found this video valuable, remember to subscribe and enable notifications for more engaging content. Let's empower each other to be the finest versions of ourselves. Until next time, stay attractive.